Are you looking for a great street Pete home and move-in condition? Then this is the one for you. The front curb appeal has low-maintenance garden varieties with ample space to incorporate your own landscape designs. Step inside this cozy, updated abode to an open family room and adjoining dine-in area, perfect for entertaining a few friends or family members. You'll immediately notice the beautiful wood-look tile floors flowing throughout. The modern kitchen is the heart of the home and comes complete with custom cherrywood cabinets, Peacock marble countertops, a stylish backsplash, and a stainless steel Kitchenaid appliance package. Access to the single-car garage is just off the kitchen, which also houses the laundry room. The owner's suite is a generous size and there's a shared bath with a shower. Continue on to the second bedroom, which has beautiful built-in cabinetry and currently functions as an office/studio but can be converted back by the new owner. Through the rear door of the bedroom is a spacious 14 by 20 Florida room boasting beautiful acid-stained concrete floors, a plethora of natural light, and is cooled courtesy of a portable air conditioner unit. The fully fenced backyard has an extended pavered patio and offers the privacy you crave and can be your own personal oasis, with room for a pool, as well as a boat or RV parking through the double gate. Updates in recent years included a roof replacement, hurricane straps, hurricane impact windows, renovated kitchen, and ceramic tile floors. Other features include video cameras and an intercom system with whole house sound for your listening enjoyment. Best yet, you'll be located in Flood Zone X, which places you in a non-evacuation zone and does not require you to carry flood insurance, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. This home is conveniently located just minutes from vibrant, downtown street Petersburg, near popular shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations, including Tyrone Square Mall, CMX Cinema, Gulfport Beach, and Tropicana Field. Don't miss the opportunity to make this beautiful home your own, so come check out this super cute home in a quaint, quiet neighborhood.